derivative of trigonometric function. So I have this. So can I do this problem in an empty place so you can see better? I'll rewrite this problem, okay? So this is
You know they practice it every day, so.
This is what I was looking at.
okay, this is what we have. Is everybody with me? So actually this is, I have two product rules. Does everybody see that? There's a product rule they gotta do and also what? Product rules you gotta do. I have two product rules you gotta do. Are you with me, class? So I'm gonna call it, you can do many different ways. So let me just tackle this one first. All right, so I'm gonna do that first. So I have a 3x cosine x. So you can think of this is your f, and that's your g. Right with me? So I'm gonna do my f first.
Yeah.
So f is 3x. F prime is what? 3. Remember I told you whenever you have product rules and quotient rules, just find your f and f prime and g prime, and then what you do? Put them into your formula. All right? So what's my g? G is cosine x. So g prime is what? Negative sine x. Are you with me, class? And then what does the formula say? The formula is, if I give you these together, what's my formula? F times what? G prime plus what? G times F prime. I simply need to plug it back into that, okay? So I'm done with this part. I'll plug it in a minute. All right, that's the first part. What's my second part? This is what I need to do.
That's another part of it.
Is everybody with me? The second part I gotta do. So this is the first part. I'm gonna do my second part. So I'm gonna just rewrite the problem. X squared times sine x. So I'm gonna say, this is my f, that's my g. Are you with me? So I'm gonna say, okay, so f is x squared, and x prime is what? 2x.
Is it a 2 or a 6?
7.
Or a 7?
Oh, the 7, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Give him credit to 6 because he saw it.
All right. So it'd be x to the 7, and then 7x to the what? 6. Next one is what? G is equal to sine x. So g prime is what?
Cosine x.
Cosine x. So I got my second part.
Okay.
So far so good? Now what I have to do, just plug back into my formula. So that means sine y prime is equal to f times g prime. Is everybody with me? So f prime is what? 3x. What's my g prime? Negative sine x. And the next one is what? G prime. I mean the g times, which is cosine x, and f prime, which is 3. That's the first part. What's my second part? Plus, second part says what? X squared times cosine x plus g sine x times what? F prime, which is 7x to the 6th.
You did 2 again.
Oh,
You
yeah.
wanna do squares so bad?
Where did I do square?
In front of
X
cosine.
squared in front of cosine
Okay.
x.
I like square must be.
Me too, I like it too.
You can tell I like square, don't I? So I keep a square on the everything. X to 7, thank you. That would make a big difference, right? I would get a wrong answer if I have a square instead of 7. So I have this. Now when I say, okay, is there something that I can combine? Or do they have any more? Sin X and sin X, I can combine them, but I cannot really make anything simpler than this. So if you want to, I don't know, your WebAssign will take answer like this, what do they want to combine? If it says simplify completely, then it will probably want you to combine what? Sine with a sine. I see sine here, and then I see where?
Fine right now.
Sine over there. So my common factor would be what? Sine. So if I bring out the sine, what do you have? 7 x plus 6, and over here, what do you have? Don't forget this negative sign, so negative 3x. All right, what is my other things I can also combine? Yeah, I definitely see I can combine this with what? That. Right? So I will bring out the cosine in the front. Then what are you left with?
3.
Left with the 3 and then what? X to 7. So I was thinking this is probably what they want. What they may even simplify one more step because I see x and x plus 6. I can bring out what? X. So this one actually I can go one more step, which is what? X and then sine x. Left with the 7, x to the what? How many power? 5, fifth power, and 3. Yeah, that's what I would do. Seems to me that's completely simplified. Because you cannot simplify anymore.
Why'd you change the 6 to a 5?
Because I factor out x.
Oh, factor
There was
out.
x to the, I can make this to the 5 and then what? 1.
Yeah.
And this is just the x times 1. So I'm factoring out the x to the 1.
Okay, catch that.
So I go in here, fifth power and then no power.